So here we have my latest build. It's just, a stock 36 volt, little upgrade on the controller, 22 miles an hour, tested 20-mile range, so that's cool. And I just, on the dash, I've got a programmable voltmeter. So an alarm goes off wherever you set it. It'll show you your remaining battery and the current voltage. This is the switch for the high beam. This is the switch for the low beam. And I just I took out the 5-volt LED and put in a nice bright 12-volt LED. And then, if you really want to see where you're going, you just flip this up and tighten the screws, and then you've got mega lighting. So anyway, it's all good. If it was for me, I would have it a bright color, but my friend wanted gunmetal hammered metallic gray, so that's what he got. And the one rare thing about this particular scooter that I've only come across once in all of my builds is I'm gonna lay it down so you can see this. If you crash, this is on reflective tape. It came from the manufacturer that way. Anyway, hey, please help me up. It's all good.